How did I get the hiccup so fast? Like, what happened?
Very. I mean, it's cool, but it's loud and scary. Okay, now I need the cover. Whoa.
You bring the cover over here?
I can't grab it. If I get it, then I have to take my camera away from the clouds and the thunderstorm, which ruins which ruins my chance of catching another lightning strike. Oh my. Incredible. Whoa.
I seen something in the sky.
What did it look like?
Like, it looked white. But it was brighter than the lightning. And then it just went away. Can we get another lightning bolt?
This thunderstorm is just so impressive. I didn't know that it would take it this far. Not at all.
Did the sky just turn purple? I just looked at it.
Technically, after what we just saw, I don't even think we should say whoa to these small lightnings no more. Because they're not whoa after what we just saw. Those are definitely whoa. Right?
Mm-hmm. You don't drink milk anymore?
No, it's nasty. Whoa!
Okay, that was low. Thunder?
Here it comes. Ew. I am not ending until I spot that lightning.
If the thunder makes a very loud boom out of nowhere, I will be back to my bed.
Oh, I know how to point. I'll just put the phone right there, and I'll be perfectly fine to just wait for something unexpected to come. I don't even have to hold it and have my arms in pain. I can just point it like this. Oh, I could use something to hold the phone in place, like my cane. Or my glasses, definitely my glasses. I have to hurry and do it fast before lightning comes. Oh. There. It should be pointed and both up. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Did I catch that?
Yes.
Where's the thunder? There it is.
Yes, I see this going out there, Maurice. That sounds like a whole earthquake or a
Exactly.
volcano erupting.
I have my phone in place now. It
Okay.
shouldn't be able to fall. It should be able to catch any lightning strike.
So what are you gonna do? Get your blanket?
Yeah, and like lay down a little bit. Whoa.
Oh my! Lay down for a little bit.
The time is 3:57 a.m.
3:57.
Let me check if that's actually right. What time is not right? Oh yeah, it is. Oh!
Oh.
That was intense. Oh, oh, whoa. That was nasty. What was that?
Whoa.
Oh!
Did you see my phone light up?
Yes.
My phone powered. So the lightning strike has to come quick before my phone dies.
That sounds like a whole volcano getting ready to erupt.
Lightning is just incredible. Yo.
Can you
Oh.
do that?
Huh?
Can you do that?
The boat? Yes. Well, no.
Just
Not
try.
really. No. Please. Lightning strike. That was kind of dull. Not really that bright.
Oh, yesterday, my stomach was like,
Man, did you even think a thunderstorm was going to happen like this? Like, get this intense? Or you thought it was just going to be kind of normal?
I felt like it was going to be very terrible because yesterday it looked like it was getting ready to rain.
Now with
Very bad.
Now with the thunderstorm coming, how much lightning there was, all those rumbles, I knew that something horrible was to come, but I didn't expect it to be this horrible. This is terrible, awful. But I just might catch a lightning strike again. Hopefully.
Yeah.
I guess catching lightning strikes isn't that hard. Because remember I said you don't always get what you want from a thunderstorm? Now with climate change, which is kind of bad, but like you are getting better luck with lightning strikes due to it, but still.
Oh
Whoa.
my god. What was that slap outside?
Rain.
That sounded disgusting.
Oh my.
This storm has not died down
At
yet.
all.
This storm is gonna be terrible.
Whoa.
Oh my god!
Like I mean it died down a little bit, but then
Did you hear that?
Yes, I saw lightning.
Oh,
Okay, yeah, I might catch the lightning strike I want again.
Terrible voice right here.
Ew. But yeah, like the storm died down, but not really. Because there's still a lot of lightning. And it's still raining.
can't wait to eat my juicy apple.
Oh,
Okay,
yo,
what?
juicy.
What?
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god. What, a juicy apple?
Yes.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of juice inside of that apple.
Oh, what do
Whoa.
you mean?
Like all sorts of dip juice in that apple.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Hopefully that's what happens. A whole blast. I really want to see a thunder blast.
Okay.
That was small. Very small and very dull.
I wonder how many times you can do that.
How much?
A lot.
Yo. Please, thunderstorm, come on. This stuff's taking up all my storage. Do you think I should just end it or just keep waiting?
I don't know. Which one looks best for you?
Whoa.
Cold. Cold. Wait a second. Maurice, don't you sometimes eat the people cold?
Yeah.
Does it taste good when it's cold?
Not all the time. Sometimes it tastes nasty.
How?
It just tastes really nasty. It has a very bad taste to it.
What happens?
It tastes gross.
Like how?
It tastes like cold cheese and nasty cold meat.
What,
Ew.
pepperoni? I don't eat pepperoni.
Yes.
Because I feel like it's going to be cooked. Is there even such thing as cooked pepperoni?
I think so. The rain's getting heavier.
Maurice, it's starting to get worse now. Again. How long is this going to last?
This is definitely a supercell. This is a high record thunderstorm.
This is a super damn cell.
Because, did you know that this storm is lasting even longer in the one with my lightning strike? And gave us more lightning strikes.
Whoa.
It gave us more lightning strikes, lasting longer and lasting with rising pressure.
Yeah.
So, technically, the storm is 100% stronger than the one with that lightning strike. Columbus, I would definitely list this place as the stormiest place in Ohio. Definitely. Now, Dayton has records, but they're not as powerful as this one, but they might get. Oh my. Hear the thunder?
Yeah. What in the world is going on with my foot?
Whoa.
Ooh. Like for some reason, my foot feels like blood flowing right through it.
Ew.
I thought that was gonna be a huge one.
What, it's quiet thunder?
That's not quiet, that's medium. Medium tone. I meant medium sound.
I think them rumbles from earlier were quiet. This is medium. The 2 lightning strikes that I caught.
Whoa!
Were large. And then those 2 thunder bombs were massive.
They were crazy.
Intense. Incredible. I caught only one thunder bomb was caught on camera. The other smaller one was not. But the other, like the smaller one, lasted longer, but it wasn't as bright as the thunder bomb that I caught.
Why does it feel like that?
Like, why does it feel like what?
Like my foot. Like, why does stuff feel like stuff is flowing through it?
Ew.
Whoa. That has to be a good thing.
Whoa! Here comes some thunder. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, how are you right about that? You
I
knew
don't know.
exactly when it was coming.
Now the thunder bomb that I caught didn't even come a second later. The base of the thunderstorm was right above us, right above us. If it was any closer to us, we all would have been struck by lightning, both of us. That's how close it was.
It wouldn't get through the window.
We have the window open, so it technically would. But the base of the thunderstorm's not over us now, so we're clear right now. But there's still a storm.
It would be scary if we just went out there. Wait a minute. Everything feels warm.
That's what I was feeling too. Every time a lightning strike hit, I would feel heat. And everything would get warm.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
Whoa! That was so long.
3, and 2, and 1.
Okay, that definitely sounds like an earthquake.
Oh! I caught it, finally!
Whoa!
I caught it, finally! This storm did not die down at all. Did you just see that?
I seen that. Bro, did you see?
How bright it was!
No.
It looked like it struck a dozen trees. It looked like it struck that one, most definitely that
Maurice.
one. I feel heat.
Me too. Maurice, I'm not amazed by the lighting. I'm amazed by
The thunder.
the lightning bolt too.
I saw the lightning bolt. It was right there.
Was it purple?
It was white.
Or was it?
Like, it looked white to me. Like,
Oh, Maurice, that was the most best one ever.
that was the biggest one. It was bigger than the thunder bomb.
No, that sounded like a volcano there.
It sounded like a whole eruption.
Right.
Now that's that's medium thunder again.
That's large thunder actually.
How?
Because if the window was closed, we would have heard it very easily.
Man, this is a big summer thunderstorm, bro.
This is so cool though.
Cause Jane, the May 7th thunderstorm, very small. I caught a lightning strike in that one, but it wasn't that big.
Can you send me that to my phone when I get it back?
It's gone. I don't have it no more. That's why I tried asking, did you have it?
What do you know,
The May, these thunderstorms that I
Yeah.
just recorded?
all of
Yes.
them?
Yes.
Cause I want my grandma and grandpa
To see this.
My grandma's always like, Jaden, come here, look at this. And I'm always coming, and the thunder and lightning is loud. Maurice, I never seen anything like this before.
Never. I haven't even seen anything like it either.
This is crazy.
It's cool.
Oh,
The base of the thunderstorm from that one was literally less than a mile away.
do you think she heard that?
Who? Miss Holly?
Yeah.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, 0.
What?
Okay, it's not coming yet.
Maurice,
Huh?
was the most coolest thunderstorms ever to exist on this planet.
Not exactly. There are thunderstorms. Whoa! There are thunderstorms much worse than this.
No, there's not. Then, what do you mean this is the last thunderstorm?
Like, this is the last biggest thunderstorm like this to be in this summer. Because things are going to start cooling soon.
If Mr. John was here, bro,
When a big lightning strike comes, it's only going to be 1 second or 0 seconds before that thunder comes.
I wish Mr. John didn't leave.
Me too. Oh,
Like,
Jaden, look.
what?
I caught the whole lightning strike on video.
Yeah, but we Mr. John would have heard everything. Probably.
All of it.
Bro, every time I hear thunder, like the room is shaking.
Like, we've been up for 4 hours. This thunderstorm, bro, it lasted for 4 hours straight. This is a supercell thunderstorm. I'm not gonna lie. No thunderstorm can last for 4 hours. That's a severe thunderstorm.
I think Jonah or somebody else in there might have got very scared of this.
Like, Jaden, do you think this is a severe thunderstorm if it lasts for 4 hours? Or
Supercell.
definitely supercell.
Bro,
It's gotta be a supercell.
obviously supercell.
Definitely.
This storm has not died down.
It didn't die down. After that lightning strike, who would say the storm died down? Oh my God.
Gosh, bro.
Another lightning strike. 6 lightning strikes per thunderstorm.
That was huge.
Whoa.
The lightning bolt was a zigzag.
Man.
I hear this stuff on movie. Just like what is the show? Storm Chasers?
Yeah.
That show is crazy.
I think Ohio broke the record for the largest thunderstorm. This is more massive than the Florida thunderstorm videos I watched.
Yeah.
Literally. And Florida is the lightning capital of the United States.
Exactly.
Like-
That's ridiculous.